Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you all in my online class of 7th. Today we will start our new chapter number 15, parameter and area. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. But don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. What is parameter? Parameter is the total distance around the outside of a 2D shape. If we have to calculate any 2D shape's parameter, so we will add all the lengths of the sides of the shape. It can be measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Here you can see triangle PQR. If we have to find out this triangle PQR parameter, so what we will do? We will do sum of all its sides. PQ plus QR plus PR. Right? So that means parameter of a triangle is equals to sum of all sides. Know that there are three types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. To calculate parameter of equilateral triangle, instead of sum of all its sides, we can write 3 into side, this formula, right? And instead of sum of all sides for isosceles triangle, to calculate parameter, we can apply 2 into equal side plus its third side. And for scalene triangle, sum of all its sides. To calculate parameter of a rectangle, we use formula 2 into L plus B. And to calculate parameter of square, we use formula 4 into side. And to find parameter of an irregular polygon, we will add all these lengths of the sides. Now come to chapter 15, parameter and area, exercise 15A, first numerical, first part. In this, we have to convert 50 centimeter square into millimeter square. We know that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So what about 1 centimeter square? It will be 10 into 10 millimeter into millimeter. So you can write as 100 millimeter square. Right? 1 centimeter square is equals to 100 millimeter square. Then 50 centimeter square is equals to 50 into 100, 5000 millimeter square. Similarly, the second part, 7 hectare, we have to convert into meter square. And we know that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. Then what about 7 hectare? 7 hectare is equals to 7 into 10,000, 70,000 meters square. Now come to sum number 2. Find the parameter of squares whose sides are. In this numerical, side of a square is given and we have to calculate parameter of square using formula 4 into side. This formula you have to learn, that parameter of square is equals to 4 into side. Side is 14 centimeter. So what will be parameter? Parameter is 4 into 14, 56 centimeter. Similarly, when side is 19.5 meter, parameter of square is equals to 4 into side. This formula we have to use. When we will put instead of side 19.5 meter, it will come 78 meter. Right? Now come to sum number 3. Find each side of squares whose parameter are. In that case, parameter is given and we have to find out the side of square. So same formula we have to use here. Parameter of square is equals to 4 into side. Put the value which is given. 64 meter parameter is given is equals to 4 into side. So side is equals to 64 upon 4. When we will solve, it will come 16 meter. Right? Similarly, the third part. Third part is parameter is 154 meter. Then what about its side? Side is equals to parameter upon 4, 154 by 4. When we will solve, it will come 38.5 meters. Now come to sum number 4. Find the parameter of triangle whose sides are of length 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter. I have taken second part. Here we have to calculate parameter of triangle. Sides of triangles are given. So we know that parameter of triangle is equals to sum of all its sides. So when we will add 9 plus 8 plus 7, answer is 24 centimeter. Right? Now sixth part, sides are given 1.9 meter, 2.3 meter and 3.5 meter. And we have to calculate parameter of triangle using formula sum of all sides. Put the values, add, what will come? 1.9 plus 2.3 plus 3.5. When we will add, answer is 7.7 meters. Now come to sum number 5. Find the parameter of rectangles whose length and breadth are. In sum number 5, length and breadth are given. That is 38 centimeter and 24 centimeter. This is the first part, right? So length is 38 centimeter and breadth is given 24 centimeter. What will be its parameter? So use formula parameter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Put the value. Instead of length, we will put 38 and breadth as 24. When we will add, it will come 62. And 2 into 62 is 124 centimeter. Right? Now similarly, the third part. Here, length is 19.5 centimeter and breadth is 4.5 centimeter. So what will be its parameter? Parameter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Put the value of length and breadth. Length has 19.5 plus breadth has 4.5 centimeter. When we will add, it will come 24 and 2 into 24 is 48 centimeter. Now come to sum number 6. In sum number 6, if the parameter of rectangle is 890 meter and its length is given 300 meter, find its breadth. So same formula we have to apply here. Parameter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Put the value of parameter, that is 890 is equals to 2 length is given 300 and breadth we have to calculate. So according to board mass, here first we have to open bracket. So 2 into 300, 600 plus 2 into B is 2B, right? And when we will transpose 600 from right hand side to left hand side, we'll subtract, it will come 290. So B is equals to 290 upon 2 is equals to 145 meters. Similarly, the fourth part, here breadth is given 141.2 meter and we have to calculate its length. Parameter is same, that is 890, right? So we know that parameter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Put the value, that is breadth is 141.2 meter. Put here. So calculate. When we will calculate, it will come 2L is equals to 890 minus 282.4. When we will subtract, it will come 607.6, right? Now length is equals to 607.6 upon 2, 303.8 meters. Now come to seventh numerical, that is if parameter of regular heptagon is 50.4 meter, find each side of the heptagon. Parameter of regular heptagon. The word regular heptagon means all sides are equal and heptagon means that polygon is of 7-sided figure. Heptagon means 7-sided polygon, right? So parameter of regular heptagon is equals to 7 into side. Put the values. Parameter is given 50.4 is equals to 7 into side. So side is equals to 50.4 by 7. When we will solve, 7.2 meters is answer. Come to sum number 9. That is, Mitali goes to a park for a jog daily in the morning. She takes 9 rounds of the rectangular park whose length and breadth are 325 meter and 275 meter respectively. What distance does she jog every day? So that means first we have to calculate of this rectangular park perimeter, right? And then we will multiply it by 9. Why? Because she takes 9 rounds of this rectangular park. Clear? So first calculate its perimeter using formula 2L plus B because park is rectangular. So put the value, length as 325 and breadth as 275. When we will add, 600 will come and 600 into 2 is 1200 meters. Clear? This is the perimeter of rectangular park. If she takes 9 rounds of rectangular park, so perimeter becomes 1200 into 9 is equals to 10,800 meters. That means distance covered will be 10,800 meter by her. Clear? Now convert. We have to convert this distance in kilometer. So we know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So 10,800 meter is equals to 10,800 upon 1000. That is 10.8 kilometers. Now come to sum number 10. The dimensions of 3 paintings are 25 centimeter by 8 centimeter. 75 centimeter by 12 centimeter and 51 centimeter by 21 centimeter. Sister Lucky wants to frame the paintings using wooden frames for all the 3 paintings. What length of the wooden frame should she order? So we have to find out the length of wooden frame. So for that we have to calculate each painting's parameter and then we have to add it, right? That much of wooden frame is required for these paintings. So first calculate parameter of first rectangular painting using formula 2L plus B. Put the values 2 into 25 plus 8. When we will add, 33 will come and 33 into 2 is 66 centimeter. Similarly, parameter of second painting, when we will calculate, it will come 174 centimeter. And for third painting, parameter is 144 centimeters, right? And total length of the wooden frame. So for that we have to calculate, we have to add all these 3 parameters. So when we will add 66 plus 174 plus 144 is equals to 384 centimeter. Now come to sum number 11. Find the cost of fencing a triangular park with side 150 meter, 270 meter and 125 meters at the rate of rupees 99 per meter. In that case, we have to calculate parameter of triangular park. Why? Because we have to fence all around the triangular park only, right? They are asking for the outer part. Clear? For that we have to calculate parameter. So parameter of triangular park, sum of all its sides. So when we will add 150 meter plus 270 meter plus 125 meter, 545 meters will be the parameter of triangular park, right? Now cost of fencing. What will be the total cost of fencing if 1 meter cost is rupees 99? If 1 meter cost is rupees 99, so what will be the cost of 545 meter? So we have to multiply it. When we will multiply 545 into 99, answer is 53,955. Come to sum number 12. One of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 185 centimeter and the perimeter of triangle is 509 centimeter. Find the third side of the triangle. We know that in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, right? And equal side dimension is given, that is 185 centimeter. So both will be 185 centimeter. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is equals to sum of all sides. Put the values 185 plus 185, two equal sides plus third side. And perimeter is also given 509. When we will add 185 plus 185, 370 will come. So 509 is equals to 370 plus third side. So third side is equals to 509 minus 370, 139 centimeter. Come to sum number 14. How many rectangles can be drawn with 30 centimeter as the perimeter, considering only positive integers as sides in centimeter? How many rectangles can be drawn with 30 centimeter as a perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 30 centimeter is given. We know that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. When we will transpose 2 from right hand side to left hand side, we have to divide it. So it will come 15 centimeter, right? So that means length plus breadth is equals to 15 centimeter. So how many cases we can make in that L plus B should be 15 centimeter, right? So first make all the cases. When we will take L as length as 1, so breadth we have to take as 14, then only sum becomes 15. 1 plus 14 is equals to 15. Similarly, the second case will be if we'll take length as 2, breadth should be 13, then only 15 will come. Next case will be 3, 12, 4, 11, 5, 10, 6, 9, 7, 8. Right? How many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 cases are coming. So total possibilities are 7. That means they are asking for how many rectangles can be drawn. So 7 rectangles can be drawn. Right? Come to sum number 15. Tina has 4 books, each measuring 22 centimeter in length and 18 centimeter in breadth. She places them along the length, keeping them side by side. Find the perimeter of the shape formed. Here, for one book, dimensions are length 22 centimeter, breadth 18 centimeter. When she places 4 books with the same measurement along the length, keeping them side by side. So, here you can see this is the one book, this is the second, third and fourth. Here you can see after placing the book there is no change in breadth, but length becomes 22 plus 22 plus 22, right? Plus 22 means 4 times we have to add 22. Clear? One book dimension is 22 centimeter and breadth is 18 centimeter. Then what about this figure? When she places 4 books side by side along with its length. So length becomes 4 into 22, 88 centimeter and breadth becomes 18 centimeter. When we will find the perimeter, it will be the same formula 2L plus B, because figure so formed is rectangle only, right? So using this formula, put the values to length as 88 plus breadth as 18. When we will add 106 into 2 is equals to 212 centimeter. Next they are saying, then she places the books along the breadth, keeping them side by side. If she places book along its breadth side by side, so in that case length remains same 22, but breadth becomes 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 means 4 times of 18 because there are 4 books. Clear? So in that case length is 22 and breadth becomes 4 into 18 is 72 centimeter. So parameter is equals to 2L plus B. Put the values, length as 22, breadth as 72. When we will add, 94 will come. 2 into 94 is 188 centimeter. Now come to sum number 17. The parameter of triangle having sides 113 centimeter, 127.5 centimeter and 119.5 centimeter is 4 times the parameter of a square. Parameter of triangle is 4 times that of parameter of square. So first calculate parameter of triangle using formula sum of all sides. When we will add all these 3 sides, it will come 360 centimeter. Then parameter of triangle is equals to 360 centimeter. Now according to question they are saying parameter of triangle is 4 times that of parameter of square. But when we will equate the equation, when we will balance the equation, we have to multiply 4 with parameter of square. It is so already 4 times. So when we will equate the equation, 4 should be multiplied with its parameter of square. Right? Now put the values. Parameter of triangle 360 is equals to parameter of square into 4. So parameter of square is equals to 360 by 4. When we will calculate, it will come 90 centimeter. In that case, we have to find out the side of square. Means length of the side of the square. So we know that parameter of square is equals to 4 into side. Put the value of parameter, that is 90, which we have calculated. 90 is equals to 4 into side. So side is equals to 90 by 4, 22.5 centimeter. Now come to sum number 18. Here I have taken second part. Find the parameter of rectangle if its breadth is 8 meter and a diagonal measure 17 meter. In a rectangle ABCD, breadth is given 8 meter and diagonal is given 17 meter. We know that parameter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Right? So for that we need length and breadth. But here we don't have length. So first we have to calculate its length. How we can calculate its length? By Pythagoras theorem. Because we know that in our rectangle ABCD, all angles are of 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle B is of 90 degree. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So we can calculate its base means BC means length. Right? So when we will calculate BC square is equals to 289 minus 64. When we will solve, it will come BC is equals to square root of 225. So square root of 225 is 15 meter. Means length is 15 meter. Now we can apply formula. Parameter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. Put the values of length and breadth. Length is 15 meter plus breadth is 8 meter. 15 plus 8 is 23 and 23 into 2 when we will multiply 46 meter will be the answer. Now come to sum number 19. If the sides of two squares are in the ratio 7:13, Find the ratio of their parameters. So first, write the sides of the square in separate form. 7x and 13x. This is the side 1 and this is side 2 of square 1 and square 2. Right? So first calculate parameter of square 1. That is 4 into side 1, 4 into 7x. And then calculate parameter of square 2. That is 4 into side 2. When we will put the value of side 2, it will come 4 into 13x. When we will divide it, 4 into 7x upon 4 into 13x, x to x cancel, 4 to 4 cancel, 7 by 13 will come. Right? We have to find its ratio. So for ratio, first we have to divide both the parameters of square 1 and square 2. So it will come 7 by 13. That means ratio of their parameters is 7:13. Is it clear to everyone? Now come to sum number 21. That is the cost of fencing a square field at the rate of rupees 72 per meter is 40,320. The cost of fencing a square field means the parameter of square field. When we will multiply it by 72, it will come 40,320. Right? So what will be the parameter of square field? 40,320 by 72. When we will divide it, 560 meter will be the parameter of square. Clear? And we know that parameter of square is equals to 4 into side. So using this formula, put the value of parameter of square, that is 560, calculate side. So side is equals to 560 by 4, parameter by 4. So when we will solve, answer is 140 meters. Now I am giving you some numericals as homework. Just do in your classwork notebook. Sum number 1 to 6, all the remaining parts you have to do. Right? Then sum number 8, 13, then 16, 18 first part, sum number 20 and 22. All these numericals you have to do in your classwork notebook. PDF of today's work is also available in description below. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment section on YouTube channel, or you can write through message on WhatsApp. Okay? So bye-bye. Take care.